My name is Michael Crain. I live here in Big Spring, Texas. When I moved here for work, I rented an apartment. It's up on the second floor. I was coming down the stairs and one of the stairs collapsed underneath me. The property manager offered me a settlement and I took it. And a year later, I'm coming down the same set of stairs, higher up, it collapsed and this time I was hurt. It wedged me in between on an elevated floor. I hurt my back. The property owner knew about it the entire time. So I reached out to several law firms. The first two that I came across wanted me to pay them in between $5,000 and $10,000 retainer to represent me. I approached Potts Law Firm. They looked at the case, immediately took it without a retainer. We were off to the races. Fortunately, I had, we live in the age of technology. I had cameras. You know exactly what went through my mind and I can't repeat it, but the staircase itself was metal and it had rusted through over the many years and it had jammed itself into my back, my lower back. And so I couldn't get out of this hole. There was nobody around. I'm dangling on the second floor through these steps. And so I called for an ambulance. I had my phone with me. I was in a tremendous amount of pain and they had the ambulance driver got out and looked at me and immediately said, he was a younger guy, and he immediately said, "That's completely screwed up," and started taking pictures. And I said, "I'd appreciate it if y'all just got me out of the hole." So I was pretty angry because this was gross negligence. The property owner knew there was a problem with the staircase. And after I fell through the second time and the lawsuit came from, or the letter of intent came from Potts, guess what they did? Replace the entire staircase. I reached out to Potts, came and interviewed with one of their representatives who looked at the case and immediately went, "Yeah, we're in." So we literally signed contracts that day. You don't expect a law firm to care. Extremely pleased. Great decision. The results were outstanding. Just knowing that there's something being done while you're living your life, while you're moving forward, is worth its weight in gold. And I would get calls out of Houston from the home office, just updating me on what's been filed, what's been offered, I can't put a value on just being informed.